Hello, I am Ilya, Elijah, Eli. I have many different names because I have many different homes, whether it be Ukraine, US, or now Prague. In Prague, I'm a student. I'm a student at a university. Um, and I think me being a student kind of helps me understand what a student wants when they're learning something. A student doesn't just want to have a lecture or even just play a game. The student follows the teacher, and if the teacher is having fun, then the student will have fun as well. I think me being a student and a teacher at the same time, I can find that delicate balance. In my lessons, we do everything ranging from playing games to science experiments to crafts to magic tricks. I even teach magic tricks as a bonus. And during that process, not only is the student having fun, but I'm having fun. So if you wish to join my lessons and have fun as well, feel free. Thank you.